So in this video, we're going to discuss Voicethread, which is a multimedia-based discussion tool, and it actually addresses a number of phases, or can be used in a number of phases of the sources framework, but particularly around the idea of scrutinizing fundamental sources, so providing an area for discussion, collaboration, critical analysis of a variety of fundamental sources, getting different perspectives on those sources, etc. So first we're going to log in, and here we've just used our LastPass credentials. And this is the basic interface. Now these over here are a number of just quick tools that have been populated by Voicethread. This is one I created and we'll work from in a few minutes. I can also click on the browse, and then there are a variety of examples here that people have created and shared. They're great for inspiration as you can look at them and see how they've been used and kind of tweak some of those modifications beyond what we're doing here. You can also set up some groups here and courses, set up individual courses as well. If you click on create, you can start creating a new slideshow, a new discussion thread, I guess. You can upload from your computer various media sources. You can do an audio recording, a webcam recording, or a webcam video recording, webcam photo, or simply from a URL. And then up here you have some recent activity. I'm going to go to my home and we're just going to start looking at this. This is a whole class hide and seek picture that I created previously. Now here, what would be useful from the teacher perspective is to simply go in, maybe record the audio prompt for the user. So I'm just going to cancel that, and then have the users come in and provide various comments. So here they can do text comments. They can do phone call comments. So you would enter your phone number, it would call you and then record your response. You can do an audio comment, so using your embedded microphone. Same thing with a video. And then you could also do an uploading of an external media file, or audio, video, text, whatever. What's also nice here is as we start recording, we have this pencils, and we can annotate the image or whatever the source is very easily. So if it were a text source, I could highlight, underline various things or whatever. So this is a great and then the annotations are uploaded with so you can see that. And then they populate over here on the side. I can add closed captioning. You'll also see here a reply button, so I could reply to the individual comment. So which is a nice feature, and it then becomes embedded as a reply to that particular comment. As students populate the slide with comments, then they are located around the edge of the individual image, and then as people play them, the annotations would then pop up. If I wanted to add a slide, I could simply click here, and I have the option of adding an audio, adding files, external files, or adding video. And I can also edit, delete, reorder slides very easily. Once I am done, I'm just going to go back here. If I click on this, I can share it. So I can share it as a link. I can share it as a secure feature. If I upgrade, I can give specific access to people, or I can export it in a variety of formats. I can also just go in and edit. I can make a copy. So if I want to use that as that prompt or something, I can make a copy and start a new slideshow from there. I can embed it in a web page, in a PowerPoint, whatever. And you can get the embed code here. This would be for a website. And then I can export it as well. So there we go. So again, a great tool for scrutinizing fundamental sources, facilitating discussion, collaboration, etc. within the sources framework. We hope you find this tool useful.